We're almost to the top. It is a fairly easy trek. This is the view and the breeze that welcomes you on the top. The trek we're doing today is about 2 hours from Mumbai. It's called the Duke's Nose Trail. ये शुरू होता है कुरवंदे गांव में जो लोनावला में है. Once you reach Kurvande village, follow the signboards for Leela Villa and you'll come to this open मैदान where you can park your car. Trek यहाँ से शुरू होता है. Hello! Ash, you're on YouTube. Leo's first YouTube vlog.
What did you say that?
YouTube. So this is Kurvande village, which is the base village for this trek. You have to park your car here. You park your car here and then you just walk up the trail this way. Enjoy nature, guys. Enjoy nature. Get out of the house. So you'll come out from where Rahil and Leo are and you'll come to this open, this पानी की टैंकी here. और फिर यहाँ से आपको इस तरफ जाना है. Go ahead, baby. I'll show you the trail on the left. And then you walk here. You can see Duke's Nose right there. There. And the trail is right here. And even here, right from the base village, the views are phenomenal. Yes, Kuchu! So far तो there's a pretty well marked trail. मतलब अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा कहाँ चलना है कहाँ नहीं. So far, except for the village, there are no dogs on the trail. अगर कोई कुत्ते वुत्ते दिखे, I will let you guys know. कि बनाने बंदे सयाने और नाम के दीवाने. Wait a minute. Yeah, sure you mama. Who's going mad? What's that, baby? तो यहाँ तक तो ट्रैक बड़ा इजी था. It's a simple straight road, nothing too steep or unmanageable. There is a bit of a steep climb because it actually starts from here. यहाँ से शुरू होके हमको ऊपर जाना है. But still not bad. Basic fitness level पे आप कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आपका dog भी कर सकता है. As you can see, Leo, he's enjoying his rather long walk on a Thursday morning. Only pet parents will understand this happy dance. Man, the camera just doesn't do justice to the views. It is so beautiful up here. So now we are on this route. There are people on that route and I have a feeling we've taken a wrong turn somewhere, but we're just going to push through and go up and see where we reach. Because either way, if the view from the top is like this, I think it's worth it. sunrise is so pretty. I can only imagine how beautiful the sunsets must be. If only it weren't dangerous climbing off a mountain at sunset. Hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Yes, good boy! Hi, little baby! Oh my god. Come on, Leo, let's go. We're almost at the top. Who's thirsty, Mama? Who's thirsty, baby? Hello, baby. Who's a star? Hi. So we finally reached the top. We started at 7:30 and it is 8:30. It is super windy. I don't even know if the mic is catching my voice, but I hope it is. Otherwise, I'll do a voiceover. So it took us exactly an hour. It's doable in 45 minutes. It's just that we stopped to take a lot of photos and videos to make this vlog. But बहुत आसान ट्रैक था. There are no markings for this trek but on the route, but the trail is very identifiable. तो घूमने के तो chances नहीं है. So it's a really easy trail. Hey Cookie, come back. Kuntu, sit. As you can see, even Leo still has energy left because this trek. I hope you enjoyed the view of his bum. He still has a lot of energy, but even a dog with like basic fitness level can do this trek. There are dogs on the top here. There are about 4 or 5 dogs that I can see, but none of them are aggressive. They're actually pretty friendly. It's just that my dog is reactive, so he doesn't really play with anybody. But you shouldn't have any problems with strays. I haven't, and I have a reactive dog. So definitely do this trek with your dog if you can. Lily. It's time to head back down, so let's see how long it takes us. If you have a dog that pulls, always have him walk behind you and not in front of you. Okay, so it took us like 30 minutes to get down from the top. Actually, we still haven't reached, so maybe 45 minutes. I've got the correct fingers up. How's it? Vanchi missile.